Hello everyone, welcome back here again to my channel, and today I'm going to make another organic garden summer harvest for my few vegetables. I still have some leftover string beans here again. They're really productive and prolific. So here still have a very long ones. So I'm just trying to harvest them many times because I plan to plant different vegetables or crop this coming fall. So look at this, really getting big and long. So I don't want my beans to turn into dried beans unless if you want to save seeds. So while it's still crunchy, and look at that. Let's go now to the other side. I still have some few here hanging around, still looking fresh. Now let's go here to my bell pepper. Grab some few here. I didn't bring any scissor with me, so I just use my hand. Oops, there you go. Sorry. So that's a very nice looking bell pepper. Look at that. And then I still have some few tomatoes here, cherry tomatoes. So I'm gonna harvest them because I plan to plant like another gourd. Look at the color, green, red, purple. So here I still have some few tiny tim tomatoes. They're still really fruiting. So as you can see, I already removed most of the leaves as I plan to plant out second batch of tiny tim tomatoes. Let's move around here. Still have some few. So this time I just decided to make a quick summer garden harvest. Look at the color. So there you go, guys. Thank you for joining me in my organic garden summer harvest of vegetables. See you again next time. Bye.